Hi, Mom. Hi. How are you? What?
How does it sleep?
Asleep. Let's go wake her up.
No, but
What?
she's so sleepy. I understand her pain.
She slept last night a long time too. We were just gonna jump on you and wake you up.
Not yet. Do you want a buggy board?
Yeah.
Okay. I got some crates and stuff and a bucket and a shovel.
Can you help me find more?
Yeah. Grab your shoes because your sand's still out back there. I'm taking this because it's easier than the wagon. We need me to. Oh, I need to put this in. Oh, look. Do you know how to open the shirt?
Yeah, I think so.
If you need help, let me know. I'll put the shirt in. Okay. Aubrey accidentally broke one of the water feeders. We're cleaning it up real quick.
I cleaned it up. Wait, not yet.
You need help?
No, okay, we'll do it. I'll do it.
Okay. Nice job. Alright, you gotta get a little closer. Okay. Yep, right here. House for $20. Yeah, that's very handy. Finally made it out like an hour later. And now we're gonna go enjoy the rest of our day at the beach. Come on. I'm so proud of you.
Girl Scouts.
Yeah, we gotta put that on your pedals. So pretty. Oh crap, I need 2 hands for this. This, oh! What are you eating?
Popcorn. Mentos.
Just munching on munchos. Yum, can I have some? Munching on the munchos. Okay, you want to sit? We're wanted to ask what you found. You found all that trash? And why are you doing that?
Because I'm a Girl Scout.
You're earning your pedals.
But I haven't got my phone.
We'll get it next week. I'm so proud of you, honey. That is a cigarette or cigar. Something people smoke.
Yeah. These.
Ooh, sand dollars? Or shells? This one's actually really cool.
Look how big the sand rock is.
Whoa. Do you want to save these? Oh.
Do you want to help me?
Yeah. Do you want to keep picking up trash?
Yeah. Okay.
Follow you?
Just if you see any trash, put it in the bucket.
Okay. Let's see. Found a feather. But it's cool. We should keep it. This beach is pretty clean. Oh, found some.
Can you hold these?
Yeah.
Are we recording?
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold the shells we keep. Nice. That's okay. We'll just pull them out. Right. Yummy. It smells so good. You're doing so good. You earned so many petals today. Nice. Use of the knife there.
So many petals we're gonna. Make sure your fingers are out of focus. Here, Aubrey, cheers with our vitamin C.
Wait, me too.
Cheers.
Got my virgin marg.
Cheers. Perfect, look. It all fit in this tiny little bottle.
Oh, yay.
I think I'm gonna I'd have to curl it every day, so that would be great. Well, then why would you do that? I get to this length, it's so hard to wash and dry. Oh, don't cut it. No balance. Let it do good. Let it do good. I just cut 4 inches. Yeah, well, I got mine butchered on a cruise ship, and nobody even noticed. You told me. It was like short as Aubrey's. Because you wear your hair so poofy, it's hard to tell. All right, everybody, go for it. What do you need? I need everybody to make their own. That's all the fixings. Yep. It's cooked? Yep.
We're having shrimp tacos. I think I'm gonna cook my tortilla.
Yeah, and you can put refried beans on it too, and put the cheese on it and melt it. Yeah, you can get cheese.
You want me to fry a tortilla?
Melt the cheese. This is really not a good night. It's really dull. It's cut easy. I like that style of knife. It is dull. The ones that are in the plastic coverings are the best. How long do you put it in for? You have the cheese? I even offered her your chicken. The chicken's good. She should eat some of that.
I'll make her.
Well, there's some melted on this tortilla. Do you want me to just cut you some pieces? Okay. I'll put it on a little plate for you. Triscuit crackers or Mary's crackers, or some of each. Okay. I made that for you.
Oh, thanks. It's perfect. It's exactly what I want. And I want beans on mine. Anybody want refried beans?
Well,
No.
if you want me farting tomorrow.
What am I doing tomorrow? Going to yoga, yeah. Like I should do that.
Yeah, why is it that old people every
Can I have
time
a
they
spoon
stand
now?
up they fart?
While you're at it.
Yep.
I know.
Why?
Better
Because
out.
when you open it,
Better out than in.
it opens your butt cheeks.
What do you want, Ariel? Beans?
No, just a spoon.
A spoon?
Yes, please.
They're really.
I know they are.
Really what?
Close it.
I didn't add enough to mine. I'm gonna have to have like 4.
I just wanted one big one. Sorry. Excuse me.
Yep.
Yum.
Wait, with sour cream?
No.
Yogurt?
No. Ricotta and cream cheese.
What's your name? Mom, Molly, Mom.
I got real napkins.
What's your name?
Look, Ariel. Real napkins.
What is this?
No.
And what am I holding?
Nothing?
Ariel knows nothing.
Hey, that's rude.
That is rude.
Where'd you learn that?
Girl Scouts?
Oh, Bluey.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Louie?
Yeah.
I actually like Bluey.
They shouldn't be teaching you that.
I already knew you
Bluey's
liked
a good
Bluey.
show, too.
You should have split that into 2.
Did you just eat the raw refried beans?
Uh-huh.
Ew.
They're cooked.
I only wanted one tortilla, so I had to get it all in.
You can just make a salad with the rest. You don't need the tortilla.
Gosh, this is so full. Really made a mistake over here, guys.
You can just dump it all on the plate and just eat it with a fork.
Look.
You wouldn't even need the tortilla.
I wanted a little tortilla. I feel like I have guacamole at my nose.
Ew.
Because one of Candace's favorite food is cheese.